This is first question in probability from Eapcet 2023. Here capital A and capital B are two events in random experiment such that P of A plus P of B is equal to 2 into P of A intersection B, then dash. So we know that from addition theorem, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is the addition theorem. Here P of A plus P of B value is given, that is P of A plus P of B is 2 into P of A intersection B. Substituting in this, that is P of A union B is equal to, this is 2 of P into P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection B. So that is P of A union B is equal to, this is P of A intersection B. That means A and B are both are same. This is the random experiment. Here is the set A. So this is set A and this is also set B. Here A union B is equal to A intersection B means both the sets are same. That means P of A is equal to P of B. That is the required answer. If P of A union B is equal to P of A intersection B, both the sets are equal sets. That is P of A is equal to P of B. This is second question from probability. This is Eapcet 2023 question. Here a student is given 6 questions in an examination with true or false questions. If he writes 4 or more correct answers, he passes the exam. Then the probability that he passes the exam is, that is, we know that the formula. So probability of A is equal to N of A by N of S. Here A is the event of student passing the exam. That is N of A. So first we find N of S. Here is 6 questions is given. That is with true or false questions. That means there are 2 chances. So true, either true or false, that is 2 power 6, that is 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power 6 is 2 into 2 into 2, this is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 8 is the 64. And N of A is students write the 4 or more questions, he pass the exam. That means minimum write questions is 4. That is, if you write 4 questions, that is 64. So next 65 plus 6 is 6. That is minimum are 4 or more questions, more correct answers, he pass the exam. That is 64 plus 65 plus 66. 64 value, that is 6 into 5 by 1 into 2. 65 value 6 and 6 is 1. Here 2, 3 times cancel, 5 through the 15 plus 6 plus 1, that is equal to 22. So now probability of P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. N of A is 22 by, this is 64. Here is 2 cancel, this is 11 to the 24, this is 32. That is equal to 11 by 32. This is the required answer. This is third question from probability. If 3 unbiased dice are rolled simultaneously, then the probability that all the 3 dice shows distinct numbers is dash. We know that the formula for probability of A, here A is equal to N of A by N of S. Here N of S is equal to 3 dice are rolled. That 3 dice means 6 into 6 into 6. That is equal to 6 cube. And N of A is equal to, that is all the 3 dice shows distinct numbers. That is first die has 6 chances. There are 6 numbers. And second die has 5 chances. And third die has 4 chances. This is the N of A. Now probability of A is equal to N of A 6 into 5 into 4 by 6 into 6 into 6. Here 6 cancel. 2 the 4, 3 2 the 6. That is equal to, this is 5 to the 10 by This is 6 3s are 18. And again 2 cancel. It is 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. That is equal to 5 by 9. This is the required answer. This is Eapcet 2023 question from probability. Here is given a bag contains 3 red, 5 black and 7 blue balls. If 3 balls are drawn at random simultaneously from the bag, then the probability of getting at least 2 balls is dash. At least 2 balls is dash. So here is in a bag balls is given, that balls are 5 red and 5 black, 3 red and 5 black and 7 blue balls. Here we know that the probability P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. Now first we find N of S. Here is total number of balls is 3 red, 5 black and 7 blue balls, that is 15 balls. We are drawing 3 balls, that is 15C3. N of S is equal to 15C3. That is equal to 15C3 is equal to 15 into 14 into 13 by 2 into, this is 3 into 2 into 1. Here 3 5 times cancel and 2 7 times cancel. This is 5 13 is 65. 65 into 7. This is 455. This is N of S. Now we find N of A. N of A is at least 2 blue balls. Here is blue balls is, that is 7 blue balls. We are drawing at least 2 blue balls. That means we are drawing first 2 blue balls. That is out of 7 blue balls is 7C2, and remaining 1 ball is drawn from remaining 5 plus 3, 8 balls. That is 8C1 plus, so if we draw 3 blue balls, that is 7C3, that is 7C2 is equal to 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. 8C1 value is 8 plus 7C3 is 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. Here 3 into 2 into 1, 6 cancel. Here 2, here 4 times cancel. 6 7s are 42. That is 7s are 42 into 4 plus here is 7 5s are 35. That is equal to 8 plus 4 4s are 16. 168 plus 35. That is equal to 8 5 3 6 3 9 10. This is 203. So now probability of A, P of A is equal to N of A by N of S. That is 203 by 455. So here 7 cancel. This is 2 7s are 14. That is 63. That is 9 7s are 63. Here 6 7s are 42, 35. 5 7s are 35. That is equal to 29 by 65. This is the required answer. This is fifth question from probability. Here is given there are 10 coins in a box. Out of 8 are normal coins and the remaining are with heads on both sides. A coin is chosen at a random from the box and tossed 6 times. If it shows heads each time, then the probability that the selected coin has head on both sides is. It is in a box there are 10 coins. Out of 10 coins, 8 are normal coins and 2 are heads on both sides. So first we take A1 is the event, choosing a normal coin. Take A1. Be the event of normal coin. The normal coin is 8. So that is P of A1 is equal to 8 normal coins out of 10 coins. 8 by 10. 8 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5. And take A2. A to be the event of choosing other coin from the box. That is P of A2. So P of A2 is equal to, other coins are 2 coins out of 10 coins. 2 by 10 is equal to, that is equal to 1 by 5. Here A1, A2 are mutually exclusive events. A1, A2 are mutually exclusive events. Now take E be the event of showing all heads when E selected coin is 6 times. That is probability of E by A1. E by A1 is, that is coin is tossed 6 times. That is P of E by A1 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 6. And P of E by A2. P of E by A2 is equal to 1. Now P of probability of A2 by E is equal to, that is equal to P of A2 of E by A2 by P of A1 into P of E by A1 plus P of A2 plus 2 P of A by P of E by A2. Substituting all these values in this base theorem, that is, this is 1 by 5 into 1 by P of A1, that is 4 by 5 into 1 by 2 power 6 is, that is 64 plus 1 by 5 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 5 by, here take 1 by 5, take common, that is 4 by 64 plus 1, that is 4 plus 64 by 64. Here 1 by 5 cancelled, that is equal to 64 by 68. Here is 4 cancelled, that is 1 4 the 34, 1 4 the 7 4 the 28, that is equal to 16 by 17. This is the required answer. This is sixth question from probability. Here is given a boy throws an unbiased die. Where he gets 1 on the die, he has a further chance to throw it once again immediately. The probability that the boy gets a score of 7 in the process is dash. Here is given the boy throws a unbiased die. He gets 1 on the die, he get a chance to throw once again. So the boy gets a score of 7 in the given process. If he throws, first one is, that is 1 comma 6, second chance is, that is 1 comma 1 comma 5, and third one is 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 4, and fourth one 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3, and next one 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma, and the next chance is all ones, 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. These are the 7 chances. The chances is 1 2 3 4 5 6 chances. Therefore required probability is equal to that is, first one is 1 by 6 square, and second one is 1 by 6 cube, and third one 1 by 6 power 4, this is 1 by 6 power 5, 1 by 6 power 6 plus 1 by 6 to the power of 7. So take 1 by 6 square common, that is 1 by 36 into 1 plus 1 by 6 1 by 6 square plus 1 by 6 cube plus 1 by 6 power 4 plus 1 by 6 to the power of 5. That is equal to 1 by 36 into, this is GP. Here R is equal to 1 by 6. This is less than 1 and A first value is 1. We know that the formula, that is A into 1 minus R to the power of N by 1 minus R. This is the formula for a GP. Sn is equal to A is 1, that is 1 minus R power N. R power N value is, that is, here is 6 values, that is 1 minus 1 by 6 to the power of 6 by 1 minus 1 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 36 into, this is 1 minus 1 by 6 to the power of 6. 1 minus 1 by 6 is, this is 5 by 6. Here 6 times cancel, that is 6 into 5 is 30. That is 1 by 30 into 1 minus 1 by 6 to the power of 6. This is the required answer. This is seventh question from Eapcet 23 from probability. Here is given 3 persons, capital A, capital B, capital C, attended a recruitment test. The ratio of the chances of ABCs getting through the test is 1:2:3, and their probabilities to face the interview successfully are 0.8, 0.7, 0.6 respectively. If one of them is to be selected for the post, then the probability that A gets the post is dash. Here is given the ratio of the probabilities is given, that is 1:2:3. So total is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So probability of A, P of A is equal to 1 by 6, and P of B, that is equal to 2 by 6, and P of C is equal to 3 by 6. This ratios is given, probabilities is given, that is, and facing an interview successfully is, that is probability of E by A1. E by A1 is given, that is 0.8. Probability of E by B, this E by A. Probability of E by B is equal to 0.7, and probability of E by C is given, that is 0.6. We know that from Bayes theorem, that is probability of, this is probability of E by A1, that is here is given, then the probability that A gets the post, that is from Bayes theorem, probability of E by A1, E by A1 is equal to, that is E by A, that is E by A is equal to probability of A into probability of E by A by A. So P of A into P of E by A plus P of B into P of E by B plus P of C into P of E by C. So substituting all these values in this, that is P of A is 1 by 6, P of E by A, that is 0.8 by 1 by 6 into 0.8 plus 2 by 6, 0.7 plus 3 by 6 into 0.6. So 6 take LCM, that is LCM cancelled, that is equal to 0.8 by 0.8 plus 0.2 into 0.7, that is 1.4 plus 3 into 0.8, that is 1.8, that is equal to 0.8 by, this is 0.4 plus 1.8, that is 3.2 plus 0.8, this is 5, that is equal to 0.8 by 3.2, this is 4, that is equal to 8 by 40. So 8 5 times cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 5. That is the required answer. This is 8th question from probability. Here is from Eapcet 23 question. This is Eapcet. Here is given 5 persons. 5 persons enter to a lift cabin in the cellar of a 7-floor building apart from the cellar. If each of them independently and with equal probability can leave the cabin at any floor out of the 7 floors, beginning with the first, then the probability of all the 5 persons leaving the cabin at a different floor is dash. So here is given the number of ways that 5 persons, the number of ways, of 5 persons can leave the lift cabin, at any floor out of 7. Out of 7 is, that is 7 to the power of 5. This is the formula, n to the power of r. And the number of ways that 5 persons, the number of ways that 5 persons can live in different floors. Out of 7 floors. Is equal to, this is NPR formula. This is 7P5. So required probability is equal to, this is 7P5 by 7 power 5. 7P power value is 7 factorial by 7 minus 5 factorial, that is 2 factorial into 7 power 5. This is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 factorial is 2 into 7 to the power of 5, that is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. This is 1 7 cancelled. Here is 6 factorial, that is 6 factorial is equal to, that is 360. 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial 120 into 6. This is 720 by, this is 2 into 7 power 4. So 7 power 4 value, that is 7 into 7, 49 into 49, that is equal to 720 by, so 2 into 49 into 49, that is, this is here 2 360 times cancel, that is, this is 360 by 49 into 49, this value is 2000. This is the required answer, 360 by 2401.